Hi guys, today I'm going to start PowerPoint. So PowerPoint presentations are a way of appealing audience towards your opinion and arguments. It is one of the most helpful aspects behind the success of every seminar or every conference. And I assure you that it is very easy. Before going to start, I will quickly review that this is called the quick access toolbar. This is the title bar and the tabs, and these are the ribbons, right? So click on the home tab, and this is the slides group. Open this new slide and you will see the different templates of PowerPoint presentation, which we will discuss one by one. But in this video, I am explaining the title slide only. So when you open your PowerPoint, by default, you will see your title slide here. So here you can write down the name of your presentation. Suppose our presentation is about University of ABC, right? This is the click to add subtitle. Here you can write down presented by, suppose I am writing presented by Sima Academy, right? And then you can set its position according to your choice. Okay, now suppose you want to change the color of this sentence, University of ABC. If you want to change the color of the complete sentence or complete paragraph, so what you have to do, you have to bring your insertion point before the letter, which is U, and then you have to triple click 3 times quickly, 1 2 3. When you will click, you will see this mini toolbar will come up here. So whatever function you will do with the help of this mini toolbar, you can perform from the font group as well, right? So one more time, mini toolbar will come up here. Suppose if you want to change the color, just try different colors, red, yellow, green, and so on, right? So for this video, I will set red, and later we will change it. Okay, this is the bold. If you want to make it bold, this is the font and font size. You can open this arrow and you can increase or decrease the font size from here, or same function you can do with the help of this arrow as well. If you want to select only one word, not a complete sentence, so what you have to do, you have to double click. So see, if I double click, only one word is selected, which is university. And again, I will show you mini toolbar will come up here. Again, suppose if you want to change the color of this university's green, purple, or whatever you want, set it. Right? So what I have told you, that if you want to select the complete sentence, you have to click 3 times, triple click. If you want to select one word, then you have to double click, and this is the title slide. So in the next few videos, I will explain different things of the PowerPoint presentation, and we will complete in a few slides PowerPoint. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sima Academy. Thank you.